First, we will start with United Arab Emirates as a shopping country. Next, we will choose our product and add it to the basket. Afterward, click on the checkout button and enter the coupon code CAD1. This coupon can be used in both the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia. The coupon is updated daily and you can use it anytime you want to. And to ensure it works in Saudi Arabia as well, we need to try it. Therefore, we will add new products and then apply the same code, CAD1. The coupon is working. Now, for Egypt customers, you can use this coupon code, CO75. The coupon is 100% verified and is working daily. If you want to save money while shopping in Noon Egypt, then you need to try this code. Now. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then you can write in the comments.